seja o beijo de uma flor.
Yes, we just finished, guys.
Deixa que o amor invade a porta da tua casa. Deixa que o carinho seja o beijo de uma flor. Desde pequenino que eu sei que o amor é cura. Amolece a dor, ingratidão. Desde pequenino que eu sei que o amor perdura. Basta ter carinho e compreensão. Deixa que o amor invade a porta da tua casa. Deixa que o carinho seja o beijo de
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the first time you're seeing me. Thank you so much for clicking this video, wanting to watch it. And if you're a returning subscriber, huge hats to you. Thank you for all the love and support you all have been showing on my channel recently. I've just been in awe and just like, gosh, thank you so much. And to everybody who joined the family, welcome to the family. So quick introduction. My name is Adobe Okonkwo Abakoro. I'm a Nigerian content creator who makes videos about productivity, lifestyle, building a career, and just living my best life. If those are videos that interest you, then you already know, turn on the post notification bell while you subscribe to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a weekend reset. It looks like you guys enjoyed this. I used to enjoy making this previously, but I stopped because I wasn't getting a lot of views and it was also taking up my weekends. And then there's some weekends I'll be extremely busy that I won't even be able to pick up my camera and film. So thanks for dealing with me while I navigate that. Today is Saturday. Oh my gosh, I always feel so good whenever Friday comes because that's like last day of work. We reset and then get started on Monday again. This week is my third week at work. I feel like I'm at that spot where I'm beginning to understand what I'm doing and what I'm supposed to help out with, so I'm able to do it more proactively. So yeah, loving every day of it, but it's so tiring, like it's just a lot. So I'm going to take some time later today to complete some work that I forgot to complete on Saturday, just so next week I am not like rushing. And also my manager who has been out of office, my interim manager who has been out of office for 2 weeks, is going to be back on Monday, so I need to be able to show what I've done and plan to do that through a planner. So planner is basically like Notion, where you can track like all Asana, where you can track like the different work project streams that you're on. So I plan to use that to just compile the whole team's work streams and then share it with her. And then moving forward, every time we have with the meeting, like the team, I'll just take the first 5 minutes, first 10 minutes to just review what's in the work stream, what the status is, so we sort of know what the next step is and close it out if we need to. But yeah, that's pretty much. Today I have Pilates class and then I'm going to the gym. I went to the gym last night, so I was only able to do upper body and lower body. I wasn't able to do core or cardio. So today I'm going to be more so focusing on doing cardio for like 30 minutes. I don't sweat too much because I plan to go to Pilates class. This is my first Pilates class. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm entering my sub-get or just mess with you. But yeah, I have signed up for a free Pilates class about 30 minutes away for 18 minutes. So I'll go to that, see how I like it. If I like it, maybe I'll just sign up for 1 month. I've forgotten how much they told me 1 month was, but maybe I'll just sign up for 1 month when my next paycheck comes. That's if I like it. So I already picked out the outfit I want to wear. I got this really cute jumpsuit it looks so cute, but if I wear it, my nipples will be showing and then my arms will be showing. So I'm like, I don't know if I want to wear that now, but we'll see. Maybe I'll just wear it I'll just show you. But first I need to brush my teeth because it's stinking up here. Okay, so actually let me show you the dress. Okay, so this is outfit for the day, I guess. It's so freaking cute on me, but I'll need to wear like nipple cover because it's like it's see-through. So, and you know when you're working out that high intensity that stimulates this area. It's the time to brush my teeth. You know what my dream on YouTube is? To one day just like wake up and see that I'm monetized. So I've gotten the number of subscribers that I need, but I'm really struggling with the watch hours. Next thing I like to do is check my weight. I got this new scale that shows you like your body mass and everything. So let me bring my phone. So 213. So weight is 213.2. I like this because it shows you your body mass and everything. So BMI is 32.7. Body fat is 39. That is, I'm obese according to this. Fat-free body. So I mean I can lose weight up to 150 something safely. On 150 is like pushing it, but you get the gist of it. I like that you can see everything on it, so that's great. And then I'm making progress because let me show you my trend. I started at 217 2 weeks ago. This is week 3 and I've lost 17 minus 10 minus 3 is 4 pounds, about 4 pounds, almost 5 pounds. So let's get ready. It's almost 9:12. I'm going to be meeting with Miriam at the gym before I go for my Pilates class and then come back home and do a little bit of house cleaning. But yeah, loving this. My nose is running, I don't know why.
Da primeira vez que eu te
This is the outfit. I'm gonna accessorize. I like this one.
pulou pra boca. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca.
Yeah, let's wear this one for today. I think that's pretty much everything. Yeah, going to the gym today and then Pilates. I don't understand that your breakdown, but before we do that, what is wrong with you? Look at this outfit. What do you think? This one, or should I just wear my regular? So Miriam came to the gym today. Say hi.
Hello, guys. we're about to get in winter body.
Period.
Then you'll lose at least
Vejo dominó na esquina e banguelo sorrindo de alegria. Doce Bahia, no alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina, enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha.
tune in and subscribe. Yeah.
Sinto do Abaeté,
Yeah.
cheiro do
What is that from this next episode? I want my so I don't really go the way to Thailand.
Doce Bahia. O pivete é o meu filho.
Guys, I just finished my workout, so I'm going to start heading to the Pilates place. I didn't realize it was that far. It's like there's 5 minutes drive, which is crazy. So I'm going to have to start heading soon. I'm supposed to be there 15 minutes to the time, which is noon. I've got a little bit of driving to do. Once I'm done, I'm going to head back home and just like clean, try to relax and just rest. Because this work week has been so stressful, so I definitely need that rest. I'll get an opportunity to really dress cute and stuff, so I'm looking forward to that.
Influencer in the wide.
$500 worth camera.
Don't worry, let me not mention your influencer in the wide. We just end up on TikTok like.
I know, me, so I'm tempting myself.
Okay. Contest to win. Where do you think we can go? You guys said we can go? Like, I'll be supplying time.
Wow, I love that. That's it. I just arrived. I am still on the call with my sister, but just area, and I'm so excited. I've been saying Pilates because I'm so excited. This is literally my first time, so pray for me. Put me in your prayers because your girl, I don't want to go and then faint there. There's a donut site besides. There's also an Aldi, so I'm gonna check this Aldi and see what they have. I am thinking I need to restock on some chicken, vegetable. There's also a Target, so I might stop at Target. I don't know, like we'll just see our car. Whenever I go out, I just like doing everything and knocking everything at once. Let me see if there's a Target close by, because I love Target. I don't know about you, but I just absolutely love Target. It's just that Target things are so expensive, so it's 15 minutes away. Yeah, I don't know if I want to I don't know if I want to do Target today, but we'll see how it goes. My battery is literally at 32% because the sun has been sunning. It's been so fucking hot, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm here. Oh my god.
Consent waiver that you're gonna do.
Okay, yeah, 1360.
So on your workout, the first part of the two red sprints and a big sprint. Perfect. Okay, so now the arches connect to your bar.
I just finished going to Aldi for shopping. I saw this thing. I've been wanting to get it for the longest time. Popcorn I've been looking for. Come on, taste. Guys, I just got back home and yeah, Pilates was so good. Made me consider registering, but it's expensive, so I'm trying to figure out what will work best. It's like a once in a while sort of thing, so maybe I will register with ClassPass and that way I can attend Pilates for free and just pay maybe extra $15 or something. I think that's what I'll do. Another thing is I could buy the machine, but the machine is expensive and I don't want to invest in buying a machine after I just tested it out once. Before surgery. I love this popcorn so much. I think I'm the top family. 170 calories times 7 servings because I actually finished the whole popcorn. That's a lot. So I'm still going to stop by Aldi to buy it. So maybe I'll just schedule it for some other time. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it tasted so freaking good. And there's this coconut ice cream, popsicle ice cream that I got from there that was absolutely delicious as well. So I'm like, you know what, I might as well just stop by and get it. But my priority is to make this return, get some yams, one yam actually, and maybe just maybe stop by Aldi to get the popcorn and the popsicle. But that's what I usually like doing with my Sunday had we had gone to church. But we skipped church today just because yeah, I'm just feeling exhausted. I don't know, for some reason I'm just feeling extremely exhausted. This is why I don't like making returns at Kohl's. I always, because Kohl's has Sephora, I always go to Sephora. The Ordinary just launched this milk fermented milky toner. It's supposed to help with your pores and stuff. The glycolic acid works really well, and the only reason I got this one is just launched it. The first launches are usually original stuff on it. Finished editing one video and I've scheduled my video for Tuesday and Friday, and yeah, I like doing it that way because once I start working, work is usually very busy for me, so I don't like having to do so many things if I can help it. So I like to take the weekend or some part of the weekend and some throughout the week to edit two videos for my YouTube, because I upload videos twice weekly on Tuesdays and Fridays. So far that schedule has been working for me. I just hope I keep it up to the end of the year. Hope you guys have been enjoying the weekend vlog thus far. I feel like, yeah, today was a good day. Wasn't a lot happening. I'm going to go shower and apply some face mask on my face just so I am ready for bed. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm having like eye bags, so this eye bags need to go. So I'm gonna go shower, freshen up, and then I would apply the face mask.